So in today's video, I am putting in some base driveways. So here's your two garages. This is a 3-car. And so we're gonna come up from the 3-car and out and around and then up the side of the house. The two sides with a little space in the middle with no gravel. And then they're gonna be about 3.5 meters wide out to the road. That's pretty much what's holding us up, is all that backfill's gotta be done. They've got some trenches dug there. So yeah, we're stuck waiting for that trench to be backfilled. Shape everything up before we go ahead and actually start spreading gravel. So we're not using a ton of gravel back there because we need some of that fill to build up here. Where's the backfill, guys? Are you guys just backfilling, or are you doing anything special? You gotta put the what, sorry? Oh, danger tape. You guys are killing me. So situations like this are always a little unfortunate. Planning here, the builder had called me in to come put these driveways in, and I got stuck here now waiting for these guys to finish backfilling their trenches, and I wasn't allowed to backfill them myself. Had to wait for this particular person to come backfill them with his skid steer because he had to put in danger tape and just a lot of politics basically. But I could have probably just got this done myself faster and just been on with what I had to do here and put in my driveways. It really made this job turn into a much longer process than it had to be for me. All right, so this guy started backfilling, but apparently they screwed up over there. So he said he can't backfill that corner yet because that 190 they did put in is in the wrong spot. So they got to relocate that. And I've been sitting here playing with my thumbs all morning. Could have been done this a lot sooner. Anyways, I'm allowed to start prepping this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep that side. So as I mentioned there, I'm allowed to prep the one side of the driveway completely, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep that whole side And the other driveway, I'm gonna prep the entire driveway apart from the one little corner, finish that up so I can finish backfilling that corner, the front lawns as well. So I spread all the dirt and clean it up, leaving positive drainage so that the water flows away from the house and it cleans everything up, looking a lot nicer. Just a side note, I do understand why they need to put danger tape. My issue was how many people were standing around, and they were also told to start on those units that I was working on, but they started on the other side of the street, making me wait for no reason. They could have just started where I was. But anyways, we got it solved, more or less, and moving on. Hold those pipes up? Like, you got any tape? Tape to tape them or tuck them in behind something? packing method. So there we go, guys. That's the driveways in. Oh, actually, I still got to come back here and adjust this corner after the guy was here, but you can see it just goes around, loops over to the garage. Nice and level. Again, these are just base coat driveways. They're gonna pour the garage. That's gonna come up about 5 inches. So this will get another 4 to 5 inches of finer gravel on top later. We got to put in a couple steps here. So they didn't have them in. So left a couple slabs and just ramping down gravel for now. Today is a Thursday. This house closes Friday, so it closes tomorrow. So it's a bit of a rush to get that house done. And that one closes apparently next week. Driveway in line with the house, more or less just by eye. I cut it straight in line with the garage at the back. Same with this one, roughly in line with the garage at the back. And that's it. All right, guys. Well, again, if you enjoy the video, give it a like. If you're new here, subscribe. And thanks for watching as always. Take care, everybody.